Hi, everybody. Virgo here. I wanted to pop in here real quick and let you guys know. I just got a comment from a subscriber. Thank you very much to the subscriber. You know who you are, who informed me that there's a new piece of information, a new filing that's gone on the docket sheet of Sharon Tracy Gale. All right, let's take a look at it real quick. So originally, we were looking at criminal notice that had been filed by the judge of them picking the jury on the 2nd of March 2020, and then the jury trial going on April 13th of 2020. That has now been changed just slightly. It has been moved up a few days to April 20th, 2020. Now, I can't answer why that's happened. It may have something to do with the appearance of this new attorney, Mark Chappelle. But the interesting one is the one that has been filed by Mark Chappelle, January 14th, 2020. Notice to Commonwealth of Moroccan Embassy, consular action regarding Sharon T. Gale. All right, if you look up what consular action is under Moroccan Embassy, for example, the one in New York, okay, the Moroccan Embassy in New York, what that states is generally that you're waiting on the processing of an application for a green card. I do not believe that's actually what has happened here, because if it is, it would be completely silly, regardless of whether you've expatriated yourself, whether you're illegal and shouldn't be here, whatever the actual county is where the crime was committed and you were charged with it, still has jurisdiction over you in terms of the court. So it's not going to make any difference. I don't actually think that the Moroccan embassy is what is being referred to here. I think either the attorney is misunderstanding what Sharon is saying and just went ahead and filed this as though it was the Moroccan embassy, when really what she's talking about is the Moorish American consulate. But either way, since it has been filed, okay, it has to be acknowledged by the court. So basically, I'm going to update you guys on what normally consular action as stated on this docket is. Now, there's a lot of different things that can happen here. I mean, we have court clerks that they're not always accurate in the way that they put things. So just being able to look up what consular action means under a normal scenario may not be at all what's being talked about here. Maybe the court clerk isn't experienced in consular actions for waiting on something specific from an embassy. But if you look up what consular action normally refers to, it's the waiting of the processing of an application for a green card. My feeling here is either way, we're looking at an attempt to try to stall again. And it looks like it was only stalled for about 6 or 7 days. The court is still sitting at wanting to have the jury trial April 20th of 2020 at 9 a.m. with the calling of the list at 9 a.m. Let's see. We've got William Davis, Sharon Gale, and Heather Francis Hayes, which happen to be those two people, other than Sharon, happen to be from the prosecutor's office. So, I mean, this is who was sent the actual order. There was an appearance that was made by Mark Chappelle, the attorney that we looked into information on. I still have not been able to locate that his license has even been reinstated. So there's some really wonky stuff that's going on here. But I wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of the update. I will try to do some more checking on this, and hopefully I'll be able to get you some additional answers. And we'll also be looking forward to, or I will be watching for, rather, any additional orders or notices that happen to get filed with this other person's name on them. So anyhow, just to let you guys know what's going on, um, please leave questions or if you have some ideas on this, because I know there's a lot of attorneys and judges that are actually subscribers to the Virgo Triad channel. If you are familiar with this type of filing, please feel free to give me your opinion of what is going on here. But again, we're talking about a group of individuals that really likes to wear out the court. They like to stall. They like to file paperwork that's frivolous. So we're gonna keep an eye on it just to kind of see what happens here in terms of this kind of a strange thing, because we're talking about an embassy to a country that this person is not from. So I certainly hope that Mark Chappelle actually knows where to process the application through, because if he took it to the Moroccan embassy, I think they're gonna think it's very strange, and I don't think it'll go very far. So, all right, you guys, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.